Hello. My name is Katie Eves. I'm a Pampered Chef consultant, and I'm sharing what we're doing for dinner tonight with you. So I've got some Pampered Chef items helping me out cook dinner today. I just kicked everybody out of the kitchen, so this is my domain now. I cleaned the stove so y'all don't have to look at a dirty stove. And then I've got all my ingredients ready, and basically we're going to be making breakfast for dinner, and we're doing fried spam, scrambled eggs, and biscuits. And so that's what I'm going to show you guys what we're doing. So let me turn you this way. I've got the 12-inch skillet here, and then I've got the 12-inch wok over here. I've preheated my eggs, and I've got it on low. I actually didn't need to put oil in here, but I did because that's just my habit of putting olive oil when I cook eggs. But this is a mixture of nonstick and stainless steel. So basically, I'm going to go ahead and turn on the wok. Let me turn that to medium because these stainless steel pans heat up very evenly, so you really don't have to use as like high of a heat. Sorry, I have crazy hair, but let me get the biscuits in. I totally forgot that I have a pizza stone in the oven that I could have pulled out and put the biscuits on, but basically we leave the pizza stones in the oven and we just slide stuff on top of it whenever we want to cook. So those are just pre-made biscuits, and I think it was 13 minutes. I'll do 14. That timer is playing games with me. It doesn't like to work a lot. But okay, so things are warming up. I'm gonna go ahead and get the eggs started. I've got 10 eggs scrambled with pepper, salt, accent, garlic powder, onion powder. Yeah, and then my dietitian told me to mix in a ½ cup of cream cheese when cooking scrambled eggs to add extra protein, because I am on I'm supposed to be on a pre-diabetic diet, so that's what we're doing. And then this is the Measure All, I think is what it's called. I'm still pretty new at this consultant thing, so I'm just going to put in my ½ cup of cottage cheese. And this is the cottage cheese that I've had sitting in the freezer for like 9 months, and it's still totally usable, totally okay. And so that's what I did. That was my ½ cup of cottage cheese, and then I'm gonna get this mixed in before I turn around and put this stuff in the sink. So apparently this cottage cheese is supposed to mix in and be totally unknowable, like secret cottage cheese, the way that you can sometimes put milk in your eggs to make them fluffy. This is supposed to do the same thing. So that's what I'm excited to try. Let me turn around and get some. So this is just a spatula from the dollar store. I've got my Pampered Chef tongs that I'm going to use to flip my spam in a minute. And let's see. I went ahead and used the mat that I had come in my kit. So this is one of the flexible chopping mats, and it's really nice because if you want to like chop something up and like slide it, almost dropped it, it slides really easily. So I'm just gonna, they're all sliced up. I use the Pampered Chef knife. It's coated, and then it comes with like a cover, but of course I'm done with this, so it'll go in the sink. I think it's dishwasher safe. Yes, it has the dishwasher safe icon. I love dishwasher safe things. Okay, so I'm gonna space these out so they can get some char on them. Oops, let it down. I'm doing too many things at one time. Open. Okay. Yes, my hands are clean. I'm just cooking for my family. Let's see. Okay. Let me see if I can bring you closer. Okay, so that's how I've got it in there. The combination of the stainless steel and non-stick will give us a good char, and it'll release really easily and not stick to the pan. Because if you know anything about Spam, you know it can be pretty delicate and break easily. So I hope that I get like something that's really crispy and almost like a bacon strength. And yes, I'm wearing the apron because I asked my mom, I was like, should I put the apron on? She's like, yeah. But these eggs, I think I'm going to turn up to medium. Let me angle you back down. And normally when I cook eggs, it's like, okay, so if some of it's happening. You see how there's like, let's see. You see how there's like some that gets stuck to the pan, but it's nowhere near my other pans. I have a copper pan that I got from Walmart that's supposed to be really good for cooking eggs, but this is so much better. A couple weeks ago, we did some, let me turn it down. A couple weeks ago, we did ground hamburger meat with black beans. Mama did that in this pan, and the ground beef got such a good, like, crisp to it. It was the best hamburger meat we've had in a while for tacos. Okay, I'm gonna turn this up to like medium high. I keep moving these around. I think today I'm gonna go for small curd scrambled eggs. So, hello if you're watching. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. I think I see somebody. I'm not sure. Facebook likes to play games with me when it comes to my, I think, let me put that out. Okay. We're making it. We're getting it. Look at that. That's awesome. And then what I'm using is the spoon rest that comes with the this utensil spinner. I really like it. It's very segmented. It has different sections so that thing stays standing straight up and not falling all over the place. And I feel like we can fit more in it, so that's really nice. Okay, I can smell the Spam. And these eggs look just normal. Totally good. I think a piece of rosemary got in there somehow. Okay. So, and these are the type of tongs from Pampered Chef that don't ever pop open. When it's sitting down here, it's closed. And to open it, you just have to do that, and then they're open. So I'm about to flip Spam. Ooh, look at that. That's good. That one can stay. This is looking good. It's got some color on it. Let me see if I can bring you closer. Okay. Can you see some of that color? That lifted up so easily, and they're still intact. It's not falling apart. And you don't see any burnt spots on the pan. It's releasing super easily. Oh my gosh, look at that one. Oh, doing this. Okay, let me set you down. Okay. Let me finish flipping this. And I think I'll take a break and put some stuff up into the fridge. Okay. I think these could honestly go up higher with the heat. Okay. Those are good. I'm going to put the cottage cheese up in the fridge. I'll show you so you can see. And then this is dishwasher safe, so it's going to go in the sink. Okay, let's check on the eggs. That's some good color. Nice. I like that. I like when eggs get a little crispy. It's like it gives you that feeling of having a fried egg, but without a lot of the grease. These are about done. I'm going to go ahead and turn them off. They're not showing a lot of wetness or liquidness, so I'm going to let them sit on the residual heat. Because you know these stainless steel pans, they are very evenly heated. So that's good. I'm just gonna set that there. Those are done for now, and then I'm just gonna finish up these, and I will show you. I'm gonna get off live, and then when we eat, I'll just post a picture of the plate of what all we get done. Before I go, let me show you something. I have 19 catalogs. Okay, so if you want a catalog, let me know. This is for March 1st for the next 6 months. Okay, so this coffee machine on the front is kind of delayed, but everything else in there will be available on March 1st. And you know, a lot of this stuff is already available because they have some core products, but I'll sneak and show you something really exciting coming. Okay, if you like coffee or like tea, look at this. Those are gourmet cherry almond syrup, gourmet brown sugar syrup, and gourmet limoncello syrup for coffee and tea. I think that's gonna be great. It's gonna be delicious, and I'm gonna have to get me some. But I guess I'm about to eat dinner, and I'll see you later. Bye for now.